means days. So that's why we have Tag ending for all the days except for Wednesday. So my week starts from Monday. So I'll say Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. And weekend is called das Wochenende. It means the weekend. Woche is week. Wochen is weeks. It's a plural of Woche. And Ende is end of the week. So that's why it is das Wochenende.
Okay.
Have you all noted it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how do you say ma'am in
Scream.
ma'am, how do you say ma'am in German?
Yes, ma'am. How to say ma'am in German?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, how do you say ma'am in German?
Ma'am is
What?
Ma'am, can you show the slide again?
yeah.
Can we hear what ma'am is saying? Ma'am, what do you say ma'am in German?
What do you ma'am? Ma'am, what do you say ma'am in German?
Alphabets.
What do you say ma'am in German?
Alphabets.
Alphabets.
Yes, ma'am. We wrote the alphabets in our notebook, right? So after that, what did we did?
I think after alphabet.
Numbers.
Ma'am, is it a break now?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am?
Break.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Let's take a break for 10 minutes.
Okay, before
what
you
do
all
you
go,
say
I
ma'am in
just
German?
want to announce you something. ज्यांना कोणाला शक्य आहे त्यांनी ब्रेक नंतर तुमच्या पेरेंट्सना पण एक 5 ते 10 मिनिटासाठी तुमच्या कॉम्प्युटर जवळ बोलवा, कारण वी आर गोइंग टू अनाउन्स समथिंग, सो इट विल बी गुड इफ वी कॅन टॉक टू देम डिरेक्टली. ओके, ज्यांना शक्य आहे, जर आय अंडरस्टँड की इट इज अ वीक डे, सो मोस्ट ऑफ देम मस्ट बी हॅव्हिंग देअर ऑफिस और समथिंग, but those who are free can please come and join for some announcement.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am, I can.
माझे आई बाबा तशी
ऑफिस मध्ये बर, जे कोणी घरी असतील, ज्यांना सहज शक्य असेल त्यांनी बोलवा. ओके,
can you say in English? आई आता थोड्या वेळाने येईल. बाबू
माझे आई बाबा इंडियाला आहेत.
ब्रेक असेल तर पॅरेंट्स समोर यायचं.
okay, we can take a break now, I think, ma'am. Yeah,
Ma'am, what do you call
ज्यांना
ma'am
possible आहे
in
parents ला बोलवणं
see you
तरी या.
after. Okay, see you after 10 minutes. If at all it is possible, we can call the parents.
एवढं काही नाही, तू लगेच पॅनिक होती.
दिसते कॅमेरा ऑलरेडी ऑन आहे, तसं समोर दिसते. Ma'am, when is the announcement?
the announcement?
Let us complete this first, the greetings and the urine part, so that okay.
Yeah, urine part, are you taking it right now?
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am,
So you stop sharing, just share the screen.
Okay, I'll do that. Yeah.
The class.
Okay, now I would request all of you to mute. आता आपण
We are doing something new.
okay, जसं मी मगाशी, sorry,
Are we going to play something?
not play, it is like a test only. So can you see my screen?
Yes, Aarti ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, we can see your screen.
ओके, सो मगाशी जसं एक्सप्लेन केलं तसं गॅथेची जी एक्झाम होते ती 4 पार्ट्स मध्ये डिवाइड होते, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये युरेन म्हणजे तुमचे लिसनिंग स्किल्स हे पण इक्वली इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. ओके, सो आतापर्यंत आम्ही तुम्हाला सॉंग जी प्ले करून दाखवली ती एवढ्यासाठी की तुमची क्लॅरिटी यावी तुम्हाला की ओके, खरंच जर्मन मध्ये किंवा जर्मन लोक त्यांचे उच्चार कसे असतात. सो नाउ लिसन टू द ऑडिओज दॅट आय एम गोइंग टू प्ले वन बाय वन carefully and you will answer the questions. Okay, या ऑडिओ मध्ये तुम्ही काय ऐकलं तुम्हाला फक्त सांगायचंय. ओके, रेडी? ओके,
Connection is unstable.
I think your connection is unstable.
Yes, it's your problem. I think Vedant.
Yeah, for everyone else it is fine, I think.
Yeah. Please
So-
everyone on mute. Okay. So
Yeah,
that we
okay.
can hear.
Yeah, please mute everyone.
Yeah.
I'm playing the
And
first
listen
audio now.
carefully, yeah, listen carefully.
I'll play it first time now. Sorry.
I think Aarti, you have to share your audio.
Oh, okay. Can you hear now?
Lies die Aufgaben 5 und 6.
Okay. So she announced something. There were 2 numbers in the audio. Can anyone guess which numbers were there?
Ma'am, I know one.
Ma'am, 5 and 6. Ma'am, 5 and 6. Ma'am,
Please monitor and check the answers, okay?
I can't hear it.
Okay, I'll play the audio once again for you.
Lies die Aufgaben 5 und 6.
कोणते number होते?
Ma'am, it's 5
Ma'am,
and 6.
Rani. 5 and 6.
She said 5 and 6, or what did she say? How do we say it in German?
5 und 6. Und 6.
5 und 6. Okay, so she was saying, lies die Aufgabe 5 und 6. She was telling you to read the text for 5 and 6 number. Okay, listen to it carefully last time.
Lies die Aufgaben 5 und 6.
Okay, so this way they play the slides. I mean, this is just a short part because you don't know anything else than numbers or days. So I have cut short the audio to this clip. Now next one.
Nummer 1.
What did he say?
Nummer 1.
No, eins.
And 1.
1.
0 and 1.
Yes, 1. Nummer 1. Nummer means number 1. He just announced number 1. Okay. Next one.
Nummer 7.
Number 7. Number 7. Number 7.
7. Nummer 7.
7, ma'am.
Nummer 7.
7, ma'am.
Yes, right. Now next one.
Nummer 10.
Ma'am, can
What
play
was
again?
it? 10. Okay, I'll play again.
10.
Nummer 10.
10.
Nummer 10. He was saying number 10. 10 means 10. 10 is right. Next one.
Wir können am Samstag leider nicht zu Ihnen kommen.
This is tricky. So there was
Can you
a...
replay? I did not hear it. But
Yeah, okay, I'll replay it.
Wir können am Samstag leider nicht zu Ihnen kommen.
This is a very fast dialogue and there is no number but a day of the week mentioned in it.
Ma'am, could you play it once?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay, ma'am, replay.
Yeah, I'll replay. Mute everyone. I'll replay.
Wir können am Samstag leider nicht zu Ihnen kommen.
Could you listen to any day of the week?
Sunday?
No, ma'am.
Friday?
Donnerstag.
Ma'am, Sunday. Wednesday. Ma'am, Sunday.
Donnerstag.
Wednesday.
Okay, which day is remaining now? I'll play it once again. Please mute.
Wir können am Samstag leider nicht zu Ihnen kommen.
Wir können am Samstag nicht hinkommen. She was saying Samstag. Okay, Samstag, which day is it? Saturday. Correct. One last time.
Samstag.
Am Samstag leider nicht zu Ihnen kommen.
Okay.
Samstag.
Now last one.
Hallo Jan, hier ist Boris.
Now this is a dialogue. Okay.
Can you tell once more?
Hallo Jan, hier ist Boris.
Now who is speaking?
Hallo Jan, hier ist Boris.
A man.
Hello? Hello, Jan. Here is Boris. So Boris was calling Jan maybe. So this is a dialogue.
I heard Buges.
No, Boris. It's pronounced this way. That is why this exercise is very important, because you have to know how they are pronouncing the R and the other letters. Okay? One last time I'll play that one.
Okay, ma'am.
Hallo Jan, hier ist Boris.
Boris. Okay?
Boris,
You understood?
yes.
Okay. Now, this is actually an actual audio that they play while the exam. This is just, don't get scared with this. Just to let you know the design, I'll play this audio. You need not understand it right now.
Teil 2.
Sorry, this is not the one. Answer this one now.
Teil 2.
What was the number in it?
It's
Zwei.
Zwei, correct. Teil 2, that means part 2. Teil 2, which is part 2. Okay? And this is the examination audio. Just listen to it. No need to understand anything.
Fit in Deutsch 1. Übungssatz 1.
Be quiet. You need to get number 1.
Lies zuerst die Aufgaben, höre dann den Text dazu. Schreibe am Ende deine Lösungen auf den Antwortbogen.
Ma'am, it sounds scary.
No, don't get scared. Just because you do not understand this language, yes, you do not have that much vocabulary as of now. But just to let you know how the exam format is, I just played this audio. Okay?
And play it from starting again.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of it?
Please wait. Be quiet
Listen.
and listen.
Fit in Deutsch 1. Übungssatz 01.
Be quiet.
Mute everyone.
Dieser Test hat 2 Teile. Lies zuerst die Aufgaben, höre dann den Text dazu. Schreibe am Ende deine Lösungen auf den Antwortbogen.
Okay, so she is actually giving an instruction that read the text properly and then answer or something like that. So this is the format of the exam. In the exam, you will get similar questions.
the
So
whole thing.
this is just to get you an idea how the format is. I think that's it. Priya, can you continue with your part now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'll stop sharing.
It was very interesting, Aarti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Now what are we going to do next? Ma'am, now what are we going to do next?
Now it's the last slide of our session.
Ma'am, so after that, when is the next class? Ma'am, after that, when is the next class?
We'll announce it. We'll announce it.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe from August, we are going to start the batch. Okay, Priya ma'am, continue.
Yeah. So most importantly, the greetings of the day. So when you meet someone, you will say either of these greetings. Okay. So greetings in German is called Grüße. It's double S, beta sign here, and U with umlaut with those 2 dots. So we pronounce it as Grüße, which means greetings. Now some of these we have already learned, like hello, which means hello. If you meet somebody in the
Excuse
morning,
me, ma'am.
Yeah. Somebody has a
Excuse me,
question?
ma'am. Ma'am, just a question about the session. Will you be teaching us, or Aarti ma'am will be teaching us at the August sessions?
We both will be teaching you, like
Okay,
the
ma'am.
same session. Yeah, so I'll continue with this slide. So first word is hello, hello. So it is hello in general. Whenever you meet somebody, it is both formal and informal. If you meet your friend, or if you meet your boss, you can say hello. Then if you are meeting someone in the morning, you will say good morning, which is pronounced as Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Then if you're meeting like in the afternoon or any time of the day before evening, You will say Guten Tag. So we just learned this word Tag. Tag is day. So you say Guten Tag. If you are meeting someone in the evening, you will say Guten Abend. You know, some students treated me when the class started. They said Guten Abend. So Abend is evening. And when you are wishing someone good night, you will say Gute Nacht. It is like you've already learned acht, which means 8. So you're just adding n. So you will say Gute Nacht. And again here one tip, you all are seeing the letters in capitals. They are to be written in capitals because they are nouns. Today, if you are sending me homework, just pay attention to these capital letters.
So all nouns are capital letters in German?
Yes, yes. So next is thank you. So you will say vielen Dank, or you can also say danke. So now again vielen Dank. It's not vielen Dank, it's vielen Dank. Then for goodbye, you have already learned this word in the introduction, first slide.
Guten Morgen. Guten Tag.
Can somebody tell me how to pronounce this?
Guten Tag.
Ma'am, yeah.
Choose.
Yeah.
Exactly. Very good. So you will say it as choose.
Choose.
And you know, you can say it with little style. You don't have to say choose. You can say choose. Like we say bye. Okay. So next word is little bit. And you can break it in three parts. You have to say auf, wieder, sehen. So learn it like
Auf,
this.
Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen.
Yes. Which means see you again.
Auf Wiedersehen.
How do you say see you again? It's like someone spammed some words.
Spam some words? What is it?
It just like many words are just put together.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Yeah, so in German it's one word. You say auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Yeah. So I broke it in 3 parts for you to understand the pronunciation. But like Aarti ma'am just played video, if I am a German and I'm saying this to you, I will say it as auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen.
Yeah, so this will come with practice.
Ma'am, ja is pronounced as yeah, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Neen means no.
So next word is ja.
Nine.
Yes.
It's 9.
And last word is nein, which means no. Now I see some of you are confused between 9 and 9 and saying neon to it. So I'll repeat it once again. It's 9, like English 9, which means no. And for number 9, we will say 9. Okay, so let me read it all once again. Just listen to me quietly so that you will understand it better. Grüße, which means greetings. First one, hello. Guten Morgen, good morning. Guten Tag, good day. Guten Abend, good evening. Gute Nacht, good night. Vielen Dank or Danke, which means thank you. Tschüss, goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. See you again. Ja. Nein. Any questions?
Ma'am, how do you say the other way of danke?
No, ma'am.
So vielen Dank
Vielen
and
Dank.
Danke.
Vielen Dank.
Yeah, vielen Dank. Not
Ma'am, what's
vielen.
good afternoon?
Vielen.
Good afternoon, we can say guten Tag.
Guten Abend.
Yeah, there is no special greeting for good afternoon. We can say guten Tag.
We can say Guten Tag, yeah, for good afternoon.
It's Guten Tag, it's not tag.
Yeah.
And what
It's
is our
not
homework
tag,
today?
it's tag.
Ma'am, what is our homework today?
Yeah, I'm giving you the homework. Aarti ma'am, you want to ask those questions to students, or
Yeah.
are we running short of time?
It depends upon whether the kids are interested actually. Are you all ready to take a
Yes,
test?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Easy. You can do it.
Yes, okay. So, I would request all of you to switch your videos on, please, so that we can, know who is attentive and who is there to answer. Okay, most of the kids have put their videos on now. Okay, great.
Aarti ma'am, I would suggest you can spotlight maybe that student, and you can see what he or she answers.
Yeah, okay. So now, you'll ask the question, Priya ma'am?
Yeah, I mean, we can ask them 3 lines.
Okay. Now, first question is to Vani. Hi, Vani. Can you please
Hello.
unmute yourself? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
now, can you see? We have learned many lines, many sentences so far. So choose any 3 lines and just tell us any 3 lines in German.
Das ist, ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
Das ist meine Mutter, Mamta. That means
Okay.
my mother's name is Mamta.
Yes.
Das ist mein Vater, Mahesh. Das
Okay.
ist mein Bruder,
Bruder. It's Bruder. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Who is on the video? Archu? Yes. Can you unmute yourself and answer? Yeah? Can you tell me your name in German?
Hello.
Please unmute and tell me your name in German. We cannot hear you, Archu.
Ich bin Aryan.
Aryan, okay. Du bist Aryan. Okay. Thank you. Now, I think somebody is missing here. Soham? Soham is not there?
Ma'am, I am there.
Okay, we cannot see you. Can you switch on your video?
Ma'am, my video is broken.
Okay. So can you narrate any 3 sentences in German? Any 3 sentences of your choice.
Main family is Soham. Main mother
Mutter.
Neha. Main father Shailendra.
Okay, and?
Ich liebe my family.
Okay, ich liebe meine Familie. Okay, it's ich liebe. Liebe, not liebe. Okay? आता ओम. जागा आहेस का?
Yes.
Okay.
My name is Om. Das ist mein Vater Chaitanya. Das ist mein Mutter Neha. Ich liebe mein Mutter und Vater.
Okay.
नाही हॉस्पिटलमध्ये आल्यापासून काही ताप वगैरे असं म्हणतो. नाही ना. अच्छा.
Ma'am, we can't hear you. Ma'am, some noise is coming.
Yeah, I think
There's some
parent,
background
has
noise.
to be muted. Aarti ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, she's there.
Yeah, just there is some disruption.
Okay.
Just a minute. Okay, so Om, see, two of your sentences were wrong actually. When you pronounce mooter, it's mooter. I think you pronounced it differently. And secondly, it's
pronounce it mooter only.
it's not the, it's the. Okay, and ish lieber, it's not lieber. You said something else, I think. It's ish.
No, ma'am, I said live only.
It's not lieber, it's lieber. Okay. Now next. Is Jagrut there? Jagrut.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you tell us 3 sentences in German,
Yes, ma'am.
please? I think you're muted, Jagrut. We cannot hear you.
Ich bin Jag.
You're getting muted, Jagrut.
Das
Please
ist mein Family.
Jagrut, you're getting muted again and again.
Mein Family.
Das ist meine Familie. Das ist meine Familie. Okay, now as you can understand, Familie is a feminine word. That's why it's meine, not mine.
Okay,
Okay.
Ma'am, can
Good.
I off my camera?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Jagrut. Now,
Welcome.
Aryan and Tanishka. Who's going to answer, or both of you? Both of you can answer?
Ma'am, ma'am?
Yes. Aryan and Tanishka. Did you both attend the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me 3 colors in German. Aryan.
Ma'am, lila. Ma'am, lila, orange, and blau. Scissors, and golden, and blue, and grau.
Okay, very good. Just pay attention to the pronunciations, okay? It's grün, and schwarz. Schwarz. Okay? And Tanishka, can you say three sentences that we just learned, the greetings? Any 3 greetings? How do we say hello?
Hello.
Aryan wants to answer, I think.
She's little big, ma'am. That's why I'm saying.
Okay, how do you say hello? Tanishka, it's hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
It's hello.
Yeah?
Hello.
And how do you say bye?
Ma'am. Choose, ma'am.
Yes. Choose. Choose. Okay. Choose, Aryan. Now, who's ready to answer? Sai. Sai, I cannot find your video.
Ma'am, I'm only here.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I say? Ma'am, can I
Okay,
say
Sai.
mama?
Sai.
Ma'am, I'm here only. Sai.
Okay. So tell me any 3. What do you want to say?
Ma'am, I can say colors.
Okay. Tell me 3 colors.
Ma'am, wait.
Oh, cheating. No cheating. Tell me
Ma'am,
what
I
you
will-
remember.
it's Rosa,
Yeah?
road,
The
Huh?
mask, sanitizer,
Green.
water bottle.
Green, yes.
Bow.
The mask.
Blau,
Blau.
yes.
Blau.
And what is purple called?
आणि खायची वगैरे काय
Ma'am, I know yellow.
Okay, tell me.
Glab.
It's gelb. I'm
Gelb,
wearing
yes.
gelb.
आणि आज सलाईन
Right?
वगैरे
Okay.
कोणालाच नाही.
Yes.
Now, who else? Vani. Vani wants to talk, I think.
Ma'am, should I
Yes.
have my video?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
please.
Vani can answer now.
Yes.
Not able to spotlight her. I cannot find her actually.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, tell any 3 sentences in German.
Ma'am, I already said that.
Vani already told?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, we couldn't hear you then. Please repeat.
Oh, okay. Ich bin Vani.
Yeah.
Das ist meine Mutter Mamta.
Hmm?
Das ist mein Bruder Aridit.
Okay. Very good.
Can we ask Gaurang? I think he has not spoken. I have not heard Gaurang.
Gaurang. Yes, okay.
Yes.
Somehow I'm not able to spotlight him, but he can start, I think. Gaurang can talk.
Gaurang is listening.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what should I do?
Yeah, tell any
Gaurang,
3
can you-
sentences.
Ma'am, those who have told they can leave.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am, can I get a chance, please?
Guten Morgen,
Ma'am?
wie geht's?
Ma'am, I got the
Okay.
chance, so can I leave?
Yes, yes, okay. Those who want to leave can leave the meeting. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'll send the homework on the group. And you can
Yeah.
send it back.
Yes, ma'am.
Ich bin Gorang. I'm Gorang.
Yeah, Gaurang, you're right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Who else wants to tell about themselves?
I think Ashna
Ma'am,
has
can
raised
Mohammed
hand.
say? Ma'am, can Mohammed say?
Muhammad. Okay.
Aditya.
Who's Muhammad?
Okay, that's me.
Ma'am, Aditya.
Muhammad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you want to say?
Ma'am, on colors.
Okay.
Uncle,
Tell us the colors.
choose.
Yes, ma'am.
What did he say?
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Wrote. Okay.
Ma'am, wrote.
Okay, okay.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Priya ma'am, I think. Okay, very good.
Choose, ma'am.
Priya ma'am, can you just display the slide, homework slide on the.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah. Because all the students want to leave now. So those who want to leave can leave. We'll also be sending the homework on WhatsApp group.
So today there is a change in the homework. You have to record it and send the answers. We want to check your speaking, whether you have understood. So which day is today, which month is your birthday, and your favorite grade.
Ma'am, can you show the slide, ma'am?
Can you not see the screen?
We can see.
I'll also take a photo and send it, okay?
Yep.
Yeah. So, Paas, are you there?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes,
just
we are
should we
here.
send you
only.
personally? Ma'am, should we send you personally?
No, send it on WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So, if
in
you have
your
written
favorite
down the
greeting,
homework, you
ma'am,
can
what
leave.
if your favorite greeting is almost everything?
Sorry?
Ma'am, in your favorite greeting, what is your favorite greeting is almost everything?
Greeting means any greeting you can. You can either write Guten Tag or Guten Morgen, whatever. Any greeting.
Write or record, ma'am?
Record.
Ma'am,
Record.
ma'am, can we
Ma'am,
say
Okay, bye.
Ma'am, but we don't know the days of the month.
It's of what? No, just the month. Which we need just the month because we know that you know only 10 numbers. So just record the month of your birthday.
मला काहीच माहिती नाही काय चाललंय.
At home, stay at home, green land, green earth, like that. Can you say something?
I cannot hear you. Who is talking?
Ma'am, Hafsa.
Hafsa, yes. Please repeat your question.
Ma'am, can we say a slogan also like stay at home? Be
Yeah,
healthy,
if you
be
know.
safe.
Okay. If you know that, you can record and send it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm saying
We are
we
done
don't.
from our part. Thank you very much. It was an enjoyment for both of us. Thank you very much for joining. Okay? Cheers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you wait? I'm writing. Ma'am, can you wait?
We are
Okay.
waiting.
Those who are done can leave the meeting.
Ma'am, can anyone send the notebook full notebook in the group? Please.
See, we want to listen to your voice, right? Whether you're pronouncing it correctly. So that's why a recording.
Choose.
Choose. Choose.
फोन करशील यांना जेवण वगैरे झाले गोळ्या दिल्या
Everybody.
Cheers. Auf
Cheers.
Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Ma'am, I'm still doing it.
Okay, no problem. Take your time, write it down. We will also be posting it on the group, so it's okay if you
Yeah,
miss.
I have already posted.
Yeah, okay, great, Priya.
Can anyone send the notebook in the group?
See, we want to listen to your voice, but if you are not able to record it, it's okay. You can write it down and send it to us, okay? But a voice note will be better.
Choose, ma'am.
Okay, choose. Bye.
Choose. Bye, ma'am.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Bye,
In
bye.
der Kurs.
Choose, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Choose, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, Sai.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. You can leave the meeting. Kids, if you're done, you can leave the meeting. We have already sent the homework on the group. Okay?
Ma'am, I am new and I don't know about these classes. I am Ayush.
I think we can end the meeting. Harshada? Yeah.
We can?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
done. Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
done?
it's done.
Okay then.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Ma'am, I am Janvi.
You discuss with her, Aarti?
Yeah, sorry?
You discuss with her? Or later?
With whom? Yeah, I'll call her today.
Call, no? Good. Okay, then I will end, okay?
Yeah, you can
Bye.
end the meeting for rest of them.
Oh, okay. Rest of them. Okay.
Yeah.
How will you conduct it? How will you inform us that the meeting is on that day? How will you inform us?
We will send messages on the WhatsApp group. Same group.
Okay.
Okay.
I would like to join that.
Who is it?
Janvi Kankar.
Okay, sure. You're welcome.
Just
Soham.
one second. I have to remove actually. Yes.
प्रियांकाला पण
प्रिया
remove
गेली
केलं
का?
का तू रिमूव्ह केला
बहुतेक तस मी
सांगते तिला
रिमूव्ह
परत join करायला.
हा तिला कॉल कर ना कॉल कर
हाय अगं प्लीज परत जॉईन बॅक कर ना मीटिंग
तुझे किती लेवल्स झाले?
माझे B1 पर्यंत झाले.
अच्छा.
प्रियाचे C1 झाले, प्रियांकाची.
तो तर डिप्लोमा झाल्यासारखा झाला असं.
तुझ्या किती झालं? तू पण दिल्यात ना एक्झाम्स?
हो, माझ्या B1 2 पर्यंत झाल्यात. मी मॅक्स मुलरला होते.
हा, मॅक्स मिलरच्याच मी पण. कोण मेसेज चॅट कोण करतंय? शुड वी से द क्वेश्चन दिस इज नाही मग आवाज. ओके सॉरी, माझा व्हॉट्सअपचा मेसेजचं हे येत होता.
अच्छा.
नोटिफिकेशन.
कारण की मी रिमूव्ह तर केलेला आहे. झाली का ती जॉईन? नाही झाली अजून.
तिला नाही करता येते. ट्राईड नॉट वर्किंग. नवीन शेअर करावी लागेल. कसं करायचं आता?
एक मिनिट, मी ट्राय करते.
कॉल पार्टिसिपेंट वगैरे काही असेल.
हा, तेच बघते. त्या लिंक वर जाऊन सुद्धा होत नाहीये.
नाही, तिला नाही जॉईन करता येते. काहीतरी एरर मेसेज येतोय, दाखवते ते. ओके. तो प्रिव्हियसली तिला रिमूव्ह केलं म्हणून परत नाही जॉईन करता येते असा तिचा मेसेज आलाय.
ओके. थांब, मी पुन्हा क्रिएट करते.
हा, नवीन मीटिंग तयार करावं तर.
हा, ठीक आहे, चालेल. एकच मिनिट.
हा.